What is up, you guys? I'm Farah, and today we're reacting to the final episodes of Kaguya-sama Love is War Season 1. Last few episodes, we saw like a bunch of cuteness, but the most important part of all was the president going to visit Kaguya while she was sick and kind of finding out that she was waiting for him, you know, at the end of the episode. And like she woke up next to him. I'm geeking so hard right now. But yeah, I'm excited to see the developments of the season finales of the next few episodes. But yeah, if you guys would like to see my time reactions or my full opacity reactions, make sure to go check them down below in the description to help support me and the channel. And without further ado, let's get into it, you guys. All right. Yeah, especially after the bed moment. Oh god. Yeah. Okay, rage. Please. Yeah, 2 incidents. Nothing happened. Yeah, I agree. No, he did not. What? Kaguya? I mean, I get both sides in that regard, but not Kaguya being displeased that he didn't touch her. Like, that's weird. Oh, so he ate a whole piece by himself? So that's why he feels like he's at fault for this. Why is this even a problem right now? He finished the cake. You could have just said, we can eat the rest together, guys. The cake wants you to eat it too. I feel like she'll be upset that she didn't get cake. What? Calling him scum? What? What'd she say? Damn, Kaguya. That's so mean. That's so mean. Aww. He remembered that. You should be happy about that, you idiot. Oh yeah, are you sure? Are you sure that's that's happening? Are you not happy? Oh my god. You're giving him mixed signals! You're confusing me! You're confusing me. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Oh, that's kind of sad though. Oh wait, is strawberry shortcake considering Christmas cake then for you guys? Oh, now he's gonna be angry. They're both happy and angry. They're so weird. They're so weird. Okay. They're both gonna be so happy that they're gonna be fed and feeding each other. Look at the blushing, please. I can't right now. Please, sorry. Stop. You both are idiots. That's like a marriage thing right now. Is Fujiwara gonna come in and cock block right now? Oh, these idiots. I knew it. I fucking called it. Loss. Tie. War criminal. Yeah, you are a war criminal, principal. She's gonna ask for advice. Are you not remembering that you feigned knowledge in this scenario with her earlier? Did he? Are you sure? No, no, you're not, dog. Oh, okay. Oh. I love him. I'm asking, clearly. Yes, yes, he would. Yeah, but she wasn't in her right mind. Ah! Sir, she was in a weakened state. He's gonna kick her ass, isn't he? Kick his ass, sorry. Yes, it is. No way he's talking about Kaguya like this. Stop! Why does he sound like an incel right now? She rubbed... Sir! Yeah, exactly. That's because he's awkward. Oh, you wanted him to like acknowledge some form of romance? I feel like the girl is misunderstanding her though. She thinks it's like... Oh, okay, that's what... Okay, never mind. She's not misunderstanding. Sir, that's not how it works. That is not how it works. Yeah, let's see you do that to Kaguya, alright? Let's see you do that. Oh, is she not gonna acknowledge the fact that she's talking about her right now? Dude, she like completely outed you not talking about a friend. You like him, you dipshit. No. What? Okay, I get why you're single, bro. I get why you're pissing me off. You're pissing me off. You're pissing me off, bro. Like, emo boy is pissing me off right now. Right now. My God, guys, the tension is in the air. Can we please fix it? Oh, this is gonna solve the... Oh my God. Oh my God, he's about to lose his shit. He's about to lose his shit. And now she's happy that he touched her in a way, even though you shouldn't be. Indirect kiss. Hi. Yeah, that's so cute. Who is this girl that's constantly in the background? Summer vacation! Kanpai! Yeah, getting in bed with you, Kaicho. Fujiwara, make a plan with them, bro. Yep, I remember that. Come on now. Let's go. It's a battlefield. Oh, my birthday, the 30th of August. We have to have a co-ed summer, you guys. What is this? What is this? Narrator, man. Yes, it was. Oh my God, they're both so scared of rejection. It's insane. Nikoto. Yep. Correct, correct. No, she's gonna ruin the plan. You can go to... Not to go to hell. That is true, that is true. And this girl is unhinged. She just accepted her fate. That's fair. Is that a date? Oh, kawaii koto. Please, bro. Somebody give this man a break. Are you serious? You asshole. Oh, so she doesn't have any other plans aside from Hawaii then. Stop, 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 stop! Come on, come on. Yes, use him, use him! Aww. Aww. Ishigami's like Bochi right now. It's about making memories with your bros. Oh, now you want to? Now you want to, bitch! Oh my God. Fujiwara, you are stressing me out. Tomato festival? Literally. Fujiwara, shut up. You're cock blocking! Yes, thank you. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Ishigami, good for you. No, no, you're great, you're great. Oh my god. No, no, you're fine, you're fine. Don't die. No dying. They're gonna love them. Win, tie. Yay, a dub. I'm so excited. Is the next episode gonna be summer vacation? Not the padded. Why was that there? What? We didn't see anything about a beach. What is this? Why did I have to see that? Okay, next episode, next episode. I can't wait. Okay, okay. Oh my god, summer vacation. Oh, they're going to the beach? Why is her boobs are huge? I'm feeling uncomfortable. What the fuck? What's happening? Is he just waiting for that day, the 24th? What? What happened? Oh, really? Yes, you would. Oh, she's on Twitter? Don't worry, it's X now. As she should. There should be a separate room for her. Yes. What are we sir? I don't want to watch this. Please. Shabba-dabba-da! Shabba-da! What the fuck? Oh, she's acting like she's at the beach? Oh, that's so cute. Ma'am, please. That's a captcha. Okay. Really? Really? Oh my god. You are not going to make it into today's society, Kagura. No time at all studying. Please. Follow him. You mean your beach? I feel like you're gonna be disturbed very soon, ma'am. I think she does appreciate you a lot. Maybe not in moments like this. What? What do you mean you've been banned? Ma'am, no, that means your account is private. Yeah, so just follow him. Yes. To be honest, as you should. Now she'll be like, how can I get a key? And he will approve you, Queen. Wait, but that means that she can see them. Huh. Oh my god! Oh my god! God help me! Literally. That's what anxiety is called. Ma'am, can you just get on with it now? This is ridiculous behavior. I can't with this. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, just take action, please. I really hope she can stop with these war games. Yeah, 100% exactly. Oh, baby. Please, leave her alone. Enough. Enough. What? Egypt? They went to my home. What? What? She said tameya and kushari. Those are actual dishes. Those are tameya and kushari. What? Oh my god. Is this play about me? What? What? Sorry, I'm so excited right now. What? I'm still shook. I'm sorry. I can't. Oh my god, I feel so blessed. They brought up Egypt. Hello, sir. Who the fuck are you? Hello, Fujiwara. No, bro. No. Yes. Yes. She's a genius. No, she has friends. Incorrect. She's not the average girl. Not this man having a duel with a high schooler, please. What? Oh, I'm so hungry right now, you guys. Oh. I'm so hungry. I want ramen. I wonder how she's eating it. What is she doing? How about you try it, bro? Maybe it's better. Swell up. It goes from super firm to firm. And now it's her. She's the fourth one. Okay, beautiful. What is happening? What's wrong with garlic? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Pause. Incorrect. I would devour garlic. She's looking for the garlic. Yep. The wall of womanhood? Bro, don't even. Please, these people are wild. Yeah, you're supposed to drink this soup. What's wrong with you people? What is this? What are we watching right now? Yum. You got this, queen. Dum! What is that sound? That was such a funny sound. They're both. She's so confused. Win. Yeah, correct. Beautiful. What the fuck? What was that? Shame. Idiots. Shame. You guys are so stupid. So fucking stupid. The same. You're both stupid. Exactly. Why can't you do it? Please send it. Please. No. Please, I'm edged. I'm being edged. Yes. That's Brayden's birthday. Aww. Why are you a liar? Liar. Oh my god. Like, I'm so tired of these idiots. He wants to go on the way to see her? Like, maybe like see her? They're both constantly thinking about each other. I really want to see them like actually get over their fear of making the first move. Like, it's actually like really upsetting. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And right now you're missing all of them. It's pissing me off. And you will, clearly. Is she not there anymore? Ugh. Man, I'm so tired of this behavior. Look at his bike. Go see his bike. You guys are pissing me off. I'm gonna cry. I'm so angry. I hate stupid people. I'm getting really angry. It's just starting to piss me off. I hate seeing people like constantly miss their shot and not do anything to change it. It's like, you know, the people who ask for advice, but they never take your advice. Those people piss me off. I hate people like that. Because I'm like, I'm putting in the effort to help you and you're not helping yourself. And that makes me angry. Like, come on now, get your shit together. Like, come on. Piss me off, bitch. It's fucking annoying. Just get your shit together. And now I want ramen. God damn it. Oh. That's not alright. Oh, baby. She can't go? That's so caring. That's so caring. Oh, this is a coping mechanism. Bro? Aww. Even she sees it. Oh. Liar. Just because you went numb doesn't mean it doesn't hurt. Because they're afraid. What a fucking piece of shit. I really hope nothing gets in the way of that. Yeah, Hayasaka is literally the sweetest baby. Like, I actually love her. Like, I don't feel like she gets enough attention in the show because like she gives up so much of her life to be there for Kaguya, right? Like, even if it's her job, like I feel like she goes above and beyond. But like the fact that Kaguya's dad is a piece of shit like that and she's like, I don't mind. In reality though, she's went numb, right? And she's feigning the idea of not caring when in reality she's just numb. But because you're numb, you don't feel anything, you think you don't care. But you care so much that you've gone numb. You care so much that you've gone numb and the bullets keep going and your body's just coping. So it goes numb to protect you from feeling sad. And this hurts to see because like she deserves better. And I really hope nothing gets in the way. And it's so sad to see the way that like her dad just like has her like at his beck and call, getting in the way of her life like that. Like he's so disgusting. Like you're vile. You're fucking vile. Like, she's like constantly alone. Like that's so shit. Like I just want her to be happy. I'm sad. All right. Episode 12. Finale. Yeah. Fireworks? Yeah, you are. Oh, baby. Why is he wearing his school uniform for this? Oh, it's giving Rapunzel stuck in the castle. baby. She's so baby. Don't. Don't. Fuck off!
人混みのある場所は付き人もかぐや様を見失う恐れがあります。そんな中でかぐや様に何かあれば、当主様に何と申し述べれば。きっとあの人は何も思わないわよ。かぐやさん。
I'm sorry, her family sucks. Fuck them all.
みんなに会いたい。
Baby.
知らないままでいればよかった。何も知らなければ。
So she wouldn't have had hope?
いつも通りの夏は必ず終わる。
Yeah.
大丈夫。大丈夫。大丈夫。
Oh. Baby.
大丈夫。
Kaguya. What's her tweet? What was her second tweet? Oh, he saw it. He saw it.
かぐや様、いつまでそうしてるつもりですか？らしくないです。
Oh, I'm actually getting so
普
sad.
段だったら手段を選ばず、家から抜け出してるところじゃないです。
Yeah, she's saying like don't give up.
どうせうまくいかないわ。お父様は私にこれっぽっちも関心がない。
Cause your father's a bitch.
今日はこの1ヶ月一度だってメールをくれなかった。もうみんなと一生会えないんだわ。いえ、学校始まったら嫌でも顔を合わせますから。弱り目にたたり目。
Yeah.
弱るときはとことん弱る人ですね。
Yeah, literally. Misery does love company, no?
かぐや様は辛い夏休みをお過ごしになられました。 ですが、この夏休み、白金会長に一度も会えなかったのは、長期的に考えればむしろ最善の選択であったと言えます。
She's essentially trying to give her hope.
会えない時間が愛を育てる。会長だって今のかぐや
He's
様
on
と同
his
じ気
way.
持ちでしょう。かぐや様と運命的に出会うことができれば、
Aww.
今まで蓄積された欲望が一気に解放される。いつもの顔になってきましたね。
Normally I'm against giving people hope this way, but thankfully it's working out.
何の準備もなしにここから抜け出すなんてできるはず。
Why do they keep her caged like this? It's so fucking gross. What, is she doing parkour right now?
浜松町の方までお願いします。
Is the president going to her house right now?
お食事の準備ができました。花火を見てるの。せめて
She's acting like her?
かしこまりました。なんて。
She even got her nails the same way? He got the hint? I'm so proud. Oh, I feel like really sad for her. Oh, she's trying to find them and he's trying to find her. Maybe you need to bike. Stop giving up. Good. You've got this, Kaguya.
待ち合わせは竹芝ふ頭。大通りは人が多い。裏道から走ればギリギリ間に合うはず。きっと会える。初めて面倒を見た後輩。私と初めて
They all care about her. you're so good.
私が好きな人たちと一緒に綺麗な花火を眺められたらどんなに幸せだろうってどんなに素敵だろう神様この夏恋だとか愛だとかはいりませんだからせめて私も終了いたしました
No! No! No!
繰り返します。本日の花火大会は終了いたしました。
そうよね神様なんていない
Yes, there is.
みんなは花火楽しめたかなだといいな花火はビルの合間からしか見えなかったけれどとても大きくてみんなが見た花火はきっと綺麗だった
They were looking for you. I really hope they brought her fireworks or something.
私も見たかった
My heart actually hurts really bad right now.
だったら俺が見せてやる。来い、篠宮。
Oh, he held her hand.
見せてやる。
どうしたここが
篠宮の考えを読んで篠宮を探せゲームのことだ。いつものに比べれば100倍簡単だったよ。会長、車捕まえときました。またあのお嬢さん。みんな乗り込め。
They're going to another prefecture in Japan so they can make sure to watch them in time with her. Oh shit! I can't handle this today.
このまま首都高乗ってアクアラインで海ホタルの方へ。木更津の花火大会は8時半までやってる。だが挑戦する価値はある。
That's so sweet.
篠宮に花火を見せるんだよ。ちょいと飛ばしますんでね。会社には内緒にしてね。誰かのかっこいいドライバー。
Oh, he's one of the ramen kings. Please stop. I can't. He's one of the ramen kings.
アクアラインは海底トンネルだからな。そりゃ見えん。間に合え。
Oh, I'm so emotional. Did she say I like you? I'm so happy for her.
誰もが花火に目を向けるだけどごめんなさいその横顔から
Here, guy.
目が離せない心臓の音がうるさい花火の音は聞こえない
新学期初日誰も
So sweet. I'm sorry.
も起きない長い夏休みの末男はそれらを振り返り
だったら俺が見せてやる。
後悔で死にそう
No, I'm so happy that you did all that.
篠宮の考えを読んで篠宮を探せゲーム。
He outed himself a little bit.
夏休みの大部分かぐやに会えない日々を送った白金あの花火の日かぐやに出会い白金のテンションはガン上げで決まっていた
Aww.
上がりきったテンションで繰り出される
It wasn't cringeworthy. It was adorable.
いつものに比べれば100
What is this? That's not what he did. Shirogane. Is he on all fours right now? Miyuki Shirogane. Kawaii koto? Kawaii koto? Oh, never mind. She's gonna be so happy. Oh, he's so scared. Ah. Kaguya! No, she's too shy to look at you, you dummy! Fake. What was that? No, bro, it's the opposite. Please. Is that a love? Cause you like me, dumb bitch. God, give me a break. You don't say. Oh, who would have thought? Oh. Mm. Okay. Yes. I hate you people. I hate you people. No, I love you too much. I can't hate you. I'm sorry. Shit! 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 What is that, a paint roll? Crossover again? I'm tired. Stop hurting my feelings. That's a paint roller, bro. Or is that a lint roller? Super calm. You are oozing calm. What? Yes, you fucking plain heads. What misunderstanding? Triangle? Fujiwara, you will never fail to be my comedic relief. Leave him alone, please. He's sick and tired of his life. Leave this poor boy alone, bro. Don't, no dying. Taken down, going home. Goodbye. Oh my god, I'll be getting sprayed. Oh my god! Oh my god, are they gonna talk? Are they gonna talk? They're gonna talk? Yeah. Yeah. You fucking idiot. Yeah. You fucking idiot. Please. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please, no. No. No, that's not what happened. No, no. Not her getting a 2-star rating. 2-star air pilot.
2学期が始まった。
I'm so tired. I'm so emotionally broken and tired. Someone please save me from this nightmare. I am sick and tired. Please. When does this season end? Okay? When do we see them like kiss or something? When do we see them confess? I'm sick of this. Can we like fast forward? Should I just skip to that episode? I'm down to do that. Should we do that together? Or am I supposed to suffer? Because right now I'm suffering. Granted, not as much as those motherfuckers who waited for these series to come out. But, you know, I'm not that masochistic. Or is it sadism? Whichever one it is, okay? At least I'm not that, like, disturbed, okay? But, like, God, I'm sick of this! Oh, but anyways, this was a cute show. Oh, I guess I'll watch the second season. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode with me. I got a little emotional, honestly, because Kaguya's life kind of fucking sucks. I don't know, I just feel so bad for her. Like, her dad's a piece of shit, and like being jailed like this in her house, like it's not even a house, it's not a home, it's a house. It's like a fucking jail. It just makes me feel like shit. I just want her to be happy. I want her to be happy and do well in life, and I love her. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the first season of Kaguya-sama Love is War with me, and I'll see you guys next time for the second season. Bye bye.